guys, walk with me down memory lane. It's so windy today, and there's a lot of works going on in the street. Like there's dustbins, so I guess today's garbage day as well. So like this is the road that me and my friends used to walk. It was quite a road from the school to town. That's how far we actually walked every single day. Let me show you.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew.
How nice, guys. They don't have my certificate, so I contacted Malusi to find out if they have it. So they said that it's gonna take 2 weeks for me to get it, so I think I'm gonna go through them rather than wait for the college. Lord. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are on our way to go to the shops. Not to the shop, we're going to town to go buy some groceries. And so you guys are coming along with me. I decided to wear my hair out. And I didn't do any edges because honestly I have kinky hair and the edges just doesn't look good. It looks like I didn't comb my hair, so I decided to go without it. Did a little bit of makeup. Yeah, let's go.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
we are on our way back home. See you at home. Hi guys, so I just came back from town right now. I think I lived here about what, 10:30, and it's like 1 o'clock now. So yeah, luckily today town wasn't that full. I think a lot of people probably did their shopping yesterday, since the 31st is gonna be tomorrow. Lucky for us, we already got our monies. So yeah, I actually forgot to do a grocery haul. But all in all, everything that I bought, right, cost me 1,231 rand and 90 cent, and I saved 161 rand and 96 rand. So yeah, you guys won't be able to see that, but that's how much I saved. I feel like I should have saved a little bit more, because like a lot of the things that I got were marked down, and I'm so happy about that. But I feel like come on, at least let me save like 500 rand. That would be nice. But I don't complain, because it's actually a really good bargain. So what I actually just did now is that I just did the basically the dry goods, and then everything else I will buy tomorrow. I'll buy the meat tomorrow. And yeah, because I was thinking of going back to town, but then I'm like, it's 1 o'clock now. There's no way there's anything on the shelves right now, so it doesn't even make sense to go back. Anyway, you guys, let me end my day here, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. I'm going to work, and yeah, see you on Monday. Bye.